10 coolest gadgets you need to see. Number 10. Bebird N3 Pro camera-equipped ear cleaning tweezers. This groundbreaking ear cleaning tweezer boasts smart technology that supposedly redefines the entire ear cleaning experience, according to the manufacturers. Naturally, we were curious to find out more. Bebird offers 3 size options, making it convenient for users to switch based on individual needs. This implies that a single Bebird N3 tweezer can cater to the entire family, spanning from adults to kids. Number 9. P-Toy Biddle Robot. The P-Toy Biddle Robot is a compact canine companion designed for enjoyment while also serving as a STEM gadget. Crafted by P-Toy, a startup dedicated to creating uncomplicated and inventive robotic pets, the Biddle Robot dog mimics the movements of a real dog, performing walks, tricks, and playful roles. It boasts the capability to navigate various terrains and can be instructed to learn new skills and memorize different patterns. Number 8. Levitating Plant Pot. An ideal levitating pot should possess qualities like lightness, attractiveness, and unique design, all while providing ample space for multiple flowers. The air bonsai perfectly fits this description, being a lightweight pot that enhances your home's interior decor. Babbook's manufacturers utilize resin as the primary material, allowing for both novel shapes and durability. The pot, suspended and rotated in midair by patented magnet coils and sensors on the base, is powered by connecting it to an electrical source. However, it's worth noting that the unit won't function during a power outage. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell. Now, let's dive right into the number 7 on our list. Number 7. GoCube. In the 1980s, the Rubik's Cube achieved global popularity, becoming the best-selling toy. Fast forward to today, and we have smart, connected cubes like the GoCube Speed Cube, a fantastic tech gift for kids and teenagers, priced at under $100. Number 6. The Couch Console. If you often find yourself struggling to locate a spot for all your knickknacks, consider investing in the Couch Console. This all-in-one solution includes holders for cups, snacks, phones, and more. While Bebird Incorporated makes promising claims about this compact pack, does it truly deliver on its assurances? Number 5. Govee Hexagon Light Panels for Wall. For those seeking innovative lighting to enhance their room, Govee hexagonal light panels are an excellent choice. This LED kit, offering a unique blend of functionality and decoration, is smart and controllable via your phone or voice assistant. The accompanying smart app enables in-depth features like music and scene modes, sharing user-created effects, and daily scheduling. Number 4. Exter Parliament GPS-enabled smart wallet for men. As technology evolves, so do everyday accessories. Enter Exter Parliament, a smart wallet equipped with a GPS tracker, available for under $100. Men's wallets have transitioned from mere cash/card carriers to intelligent, trackable accessories. Number 3. Ember Mug 2, temperature-controlled smart mug. For the ultimate experience in savoring your favorite hot beverages, the Ember Smart Mug 2 is unparalleled. This innovative mug maintains your drink at the perfect temperature from the first sip to the last drop, catering to home and office workaholics and devoted coffee enthusiasts alike. Number 2. ORBA2 Portable Electronic Multi-Instrument. Carrying ORBA2 is like having a pocket-sized ensemble of 100+ musical instruments. This device allows you to play 125 different instruments, create personalized music, and share it with the world. Highly portable and battery-operated, it eliminates cable-related hassles. The central button facilitates switching between 4 pre-selected instruments, while the phone app aids in recording your unique sounds. Number 1. OYO Nova, a portable personal gym. Whether your goal is weight loss, fitness, or maintaining shape, OYO Nova, a personal and portable gym, is the solution you've been looking for. Created by the OYO Fitness Company, known for their magical fitness products, This portable equipment ensures total body strength whether at home, in the office, or during vacations or business trips. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to get more informative and helpful videos. Kindly like, comment, and share our videos with your friends to support our team.